This concept is almost similar to following other well-established but related businesses as already mentioned above. However, the only difference in this case is that you will be following individuals as opposed to brands and business. Virtually all celebrities and notable figures in the contemporary societies have Instagram backing. They command a large audience on this social media platform. As a brand, you can follow these celebrities in an attempt to win the support of their followers. This has worked for a number of upcoming businesses on Instagram and will definitely work for you if you approach from the right angle. While this strategy might sound easy, you should be cognizant of the fact that getting audience from celebrities requires persistence and patience. The outcomes of this strategy are not immediate, but they surely are long-lasting once you succeed. Taking advantage of the audience celebrities have for your personal gain can only be achieved by constantly liking and commenting on their posts. On most occasions, celebrities and their audiences will not ignore your effort forever. A time will reach when these notable public figures will recognize your efforts. This happens particularly when they find your promotional material relevant to their personal interests. In order to win the heart of celebrities and notable public figures, you should take your time to study their posts in order to identify their specific desire and interest. Ensure that you are keen enough to recognize what might piss them off as well. After a comprehensive analysis of these trends, you can go ahead and forward seductive posts that will capture the interests of these celebrities. It's highly likely they will follow you back if they are interested in your content. They will therefore mark a turning point in your Instagram marketing efforts because the followers of these celebrities will come rushing to your Instagram page. Following celebrities and other notable public figures sounds lucrative, especially after noting the varied advantages associated with this strategy. However, you must be vigilant while taking up this task. It's imperative to follow celebrities who are relevant to your brand. Do not go ahead and follow celebrities simply because they have managed to cultivate an enormous following for themselves. You ought to ensure that operations of these celebrities go hand in hand with the product and service you intend to promote through your Instagram promotional efforts. It's only through this, you can achieve the desired results from using celebrities and other notable public figures following to achieve your marketing goals. As a result of this, making use of the networks of celebrities and other notable public figures is an effective way of succeeding in business Instagram marketing, but only if done in the right way.